Alright, that wasn't good. It's okay now, I guess. This is how I know. I always cough, yo. It really don't matter. Hold up. I know I'm a hater. I be in bed all night, coughing, just like that. I know my day's kinda off track, and I know I'm feeling so whack. Even I know that. I just keep on coughing. I try to relax, but I can't. Yeah, I try to do what I do as I come through. I know I'm a cougher. Yeah, it make me a loser. It's always a failure. I don't care. I'm going. I know I'm going nowhere. I know my life is not fair. There we go. I'm coughing more. Straining my voice out. Until I'm done taking my antibiotics. You know what I'm saying? I be flowing with a bad voice. Hey yo, I had no other choice. It don't matter. No, really, it don't matter. Hey yo, freestyling off the top about coughing. I'm a coughist. Yeah, this is what I talk about it. I'ma keep on going with it. Each and every day, take my pills, my medicine. I hope my cough get good. Is that understand? Yeah, I don't understood. And I don't even know why. I don't even bother to try. But I love life. I love to cough, just like me. Coughing is so easy. Coughing is a sport. It don't make a change. But it might though. Yeah. See? I just keep on coughing. But when I take my antibiotics, I take that, I should be good to go. I should be good to go, you know. Leave it like it is.